This is not my first time talking about this. It is the HoverAir, and you guys, I swear to you when I say this is your best friend. If you travel, if you want content, it is so easy. All you do is push a button and it takes off, and it has a bunch of different flight patterns. It comes with an app, so you're able to learn how to use it, and it teaches you and it walks you through. And then you can download everything directly to your phone. I got the creator bundle, so it came with 2 different batteries, and they plug in to a USB outlet, comes with its own charging port, and then you just take the battery off and attach it into the hover. Usually do this with 2 hands. And then you just attach it in, and then you just turn it on, and you open up the wings. Oh, I think I charged it. Yeah, I did. So it's got 4 batteries, and then once you open it, it will...
Current mode, custom.
So I have it on a custom mode. Sidetrack, which means that it's going to follow me like at an angle. It's gonna always stay within my vision. My face is gonna be its guide. And when it goes away and you're done, you just stand still and it comes right back to you. So super easy to use. You don't need to control it because it all goes off of this little button here and these modes. So great gift. Really good for a beginner who's trying to learn how to get some really cool B-roll. It's got 2 different cameras on it, the one at the bottom and then the one at the front. And I've had a few instances where it's accidentally crashed into things because I got a little bit too close, and it's still in perfect condition. So it's not super fragile if you're worried about that. Obviously, anything that's electronic is gonna have some needs and requirements, but this one, really easy, and I love it. It's got me some great footage on vacations. Happy shopping.